Pull it out all the way and then grab the buckle.
Uh-oh.
Okay, grab your buckle. There you go.
Come on.
You got it. You're okay. Take your time. Don't get frustrated. Okay, pull straight out. Keep pulling. Pull, pull, pull. Okay, now grab your buckle and keep holding that piece. There you go. Okay, pull it over. Focus, Memmer. Aw, womp, womp, womp. Try again.
No, that out.
We don't get frustrated. Try again.
No.
It's gonna be okay. Try it one more time. Let's not get frustrated. What do we do when we're frustrated? Take a deep breath and count to 4. 4. Good job. Okay, now try it one more time. Pull out your strings all the way. Here, Mommy will help you a little bit. Okay, so pull them out. I'll hold this part for you, okay? Okay, now you do the buckle part. So close, come on. So close. You got it. You got it. Straight up. Come on, you got it. Don't get frustrated. Oh, you're so close. Come on. Okay, push it down. Oh, you did it. Woohoo, Merrick! Are you so proud of yourself? Hey, are you so proud?
Yeah.
That was your first time. Say yay, Memmer!
Yay!
Yeah, he's doing so awesome, huh? I love you. Yes, but can you say love you, Mom? Are you so proud of you? Are you proud of yourself? Clap your hands. Say yay, Memmer!